everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an exciting Hermès unboxing, and finally she is here. I have this item on my wish list for quite a long time. So I spoke to my essay regarding this piece each time I got an opportunity to visit her at the store. And for years and years, it is so impossible to find this piece. For, I don't know, for a lot of reasons. I've tried so many times and I said, okay, maybe this item, this particular color, the combination is not meant for me at that time when I was speaking to my essay. So this here, I've tried again, and she said that I'm not really sure. That's what she told me. So I decided to go to Fashion File and found this beauty. The exact color that I have been looking for, the hardware, as well as the style. So anyway, I got this from Fashion File, and okay. So I didn't even show the box. That's because the box that came with this is gigantic. So anyway, oh my gosh, I am going to show you what I've got. And I am so excited to finally share my very first, oh my gosh, okay. Oh wow, okay, so they put it in an Hermès dust bag right here. So let me put this one aside and let me just take a look some of the items here. Okay, oh, this is the lock and key, the padlock and key. So okay, there is a ribbon, it's still called a ribbon right here. And then the booklet. This is the booklet. And then, oh, they put the Fashion File dust bag at the bottom. So yeah, just basically that's what's in here. And oh my gosh, let's go back to the bag. Let's go back to this purse right here. Oh my gosh, I could not believe it. I could not believe that this one is actually available at Fashion File. Oh wow, as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, I think this is the perfect time to purchase this piece. I went ahead and didn't even waste a lot of time, and this was overnighted to me. The shipping is really fast. And also, I'm not sure, maybe after I placed the order, I called them to verify my order. Because sometimes when you purchase something that is something, I think a little over a few $1,000s, maybe $2,000, a little bit more than that, sometimes they call you and verify. But this particular item is like, oh wow, I'm gonna tell you the price later on, okay? So for now, okay, oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, let me show you this beautiful piece right here. And ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh, she is such a beauty. Wow. Oh wow, let me give you a little bit of a 360 look on this bag right here. Oh wow. So according to their description on the website, this is new. So this is brand new. Oh my goodness, I just can't get over of how beautiful the color is. This is the now I wanted to get the bamboo color and then this color, which is actually a mint or mauve. Wow. So anyway, This is an Hermès Picotin 18 on a Turilin Clemence leather. Wow. So this is the 18 cm. This is the size PM. I think this is the smallest one that they have, because I remember there is a size 22 centimeter. Wow. She is so beautiful. Wow. This is in the color mint or month. Wow. The color is more of like a bright green, actually. Wow. Really, really soft. The Turilin leather and Clemence, it is really soft and supple. So you guys can see that. It is really soft. And look at the stitching. I know I am so obsessed when it comes to stitching. This one has a tonal stitching, which means that whatever the color of the purse is, that is also the color of the stitching. So the stitching right here is also in green color as well, right there. I'm not sure if the stitching could have been in white. I'm not sure how this would look, because yeah, the white color would pop out a lot more than this color, but I think it would look awesome. But regardless, I am looking on this particular color as well as the hardware. So the hardware, I don't know if you guys, if you're looking for this particular bag, I'm not sure, or I don't know if the hardware would matter. That's because this particular bag didn't have much hardware at all. So right here, we have a gold hardware right here. And also we have where you put the lock, as well as on this side. This is the only hardware, and also the feet as well. So the feet still has those protective film in it. Yeah, so this one is advertised as new, so I am expecting that this is new. Upon checking at it, upon looking at it right now, it is, wow, it is pristine. It is really brand new. I have my ring light right here. It does seem to look like it is in perfect brand new condition. Wow, the leather. It is really soft. Wow. And also with this particular type of leather, which is the Clemence, this one didn't have a sheen to it. So it is more likely a matte. So you could feel the grain right here. And it also look like, yeah, the Clemence says that the leather seems like it has an irregular grain, which means that some parts of it has, the grain is more pronounced, some are larger, some are smaller. Wow, really soft and also very smooth as well. So, okay, let's take a look at inside. It has a little bit of stuffing right here. Okay, the inside right there. Okay, the inside, this Picotin, I think majority of the Picotin didn't have a line. So Picotin is definitely unlined. So what you are seeing right now is actually the other side of the leather, which is very soft. It feels like suede though, right here. The inside is absolutely amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. And it says right here at the bottom, it says Hermès Paris made in France with a gold foil in it. Right there. I hope that my camera is actually picking up. And also the lining in the inside, actually, it is in green as well. Oh, wow. Everything is perfect on this bag. So as you guys have noticed that the texture, and this one is the type of bag that's just slouchy. So when you hold it like this, yeah, it is very, it's very slouchy type of bag right there. See, it's just really soft. And also the type of leather, it does feel, it has weight to it, you know. It's, you can really feel that this particular type of leather, it is made up, it's really thick and it has weight to it right here. I think this is how thick it is. We have the strap right here, the hand stitch strap right there. We also have a glazing on the side, which is really nice because it has a very minimal glazing. And this part, I'm not sure if this is glazing though, because this one is so matte, and this one is, you could feel the glazing in here. Wow, this is such a perfect size for me. I was debating whether I wanted to get the MM1, which is this 22 cm, but I'm glad that I was able to get, I made a decision of getting this particular size. Okay, so anyway, maybe yeah, as the time goes by, definitely with the Clemence leather, it started to get really soft. And this is, look at it right now, it is slouchy, and as the time goes by, it's definitely gonna lost its shape a lot more right there. So this also came in with a lock and a key as well right here. Let me just put the lock right here. Okay, so wow, she is stunningly beautiful, just like that. And to those of you are curious of how much I paid for this, I paid a little over 4,000 US dollars for this particular piece. It was like, oh my gosh. And yeah, I am just so happy that I finally got this beautiful purse right here. I'm not looking for a Coda bag at the moment. I have those Coda bags years and years ago, those years before I started my YouTube, and I realized that it didn't really work out for me. I tried Hermès again, and I think this is the perfect bag for me, because it's like you could just wear it anywhere you want. You don't have to choose a place or find a particular place where you could just, you know, wear that particular bag, especially the Coda bags though. It's just so awkward when you wear them at the supermarket. But this one is such a perfect, wow, very nice. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.